Here we go, Michelle. Let's look at what you can work on. So this is your kind of balance drill. And you're getting extension out front, but things aren't quite coordinated. Let me see if I can show you what I mean here. So you can see it a little bit easier on the other side. Your front hand is all the way extended, and you're coming out too early. As your kind of moving arm pushes back, we want this front arm to extend out even more. You can also see that your extension happens right at the surface of the water. Of course, you're going to enter the surface of the water, but extend maybe 6 inches below the water. So you can really see it on this other drill. And I think part of the problem here is, you're swimming with your pull buoy, which means you're not coordinating your legs. I think we need to change out the pull buoy for some fins. If your goal is to really swim, we want you swimming as much as possible. So your hand enters pretty early, which looks good. Look at your hand. You're maybe a little early there, but you were trying to drill. And you extend at the top of the water. Notice your hand entered and then came right back up to the top. We want you to extend underneath the water. You're way too high here, which means you're losing propulsion at the beginning of your stroke. You'll also notice we're going to start to exaggerate how far this backhand goes. By the time your front hand is all the way out front, we want the backhand to be basically stretched out as far as possible behind. So really, I think a lot of this can just think about getting that entry hand deeper. Of course, not straight down, but down into the water instead of entering and coming back up to the surface. We want to just go down. All right, let me know how it goes. I will talk to you soon.